In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Msvcp120.dll missing Witcher 3 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is just try to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart, because once you restart your Windows, that will refresh all the system processes and all the system programs on your Windows. So just try to restart. Step 2, click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply also update your Windows. Okay? Next method, we need to check our system type. First, so go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open any browser on your Windows and search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your architecture or the system type of your Windows, and then simply install the latest Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Also consider to restart after installing it. Next method, you can try to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on apps, installed apps. Locate the application that is giving you the error, click on the three dots and select uninstall, and simply reinstall it again to your Windows. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.